convex. The concave means what? The diagonals which have a outside. Diagonals which have a outside. The one more picture for this is first diagonal. Okay. The next one more diagonal. Here also we have one more, and this is also one more. But here we have a outside diagonal. Where we have a outside. The dotted line indicates diagonals. The dotted line indicates diagonals. And for the convex, one more picture is, okay, here also we have inside diagonals. Where we have a diagonals, the 2 points meet. These two are diagonals. Okay, these are concave and the convex diagonals. The concave means which have a outside diagonals, that is called as a concave. Which have a inside diagonals, that is called as a convex polygons. Now we'll move on to the next topic, that is regular and irregular polygons. Regular and irregular. The name only shows that regular means in the normal form. Irregular means it will be in a difficult form. Like it has some of the complications. Regular and irregular polygons. In the regular polygons, all the angles, all the sides are equal. All the sides. Like for example, if we have a triangle, in the triangle we have all the angles will be same. For example, it have to be 60, 60, 60. Then only it becomes triangle. It becomes what? Triangle. This is called as a regular. This is called as a regular polygon. Regular polygon. Now, one more example for this is square. Square. In the square also, we have all sides will be equal. All sides will be equal. Sides will be equal. This shows that all sides are equal. That line shows that all sides are equal. These are called as a regular polygons. Now, we'll see the irregular polygons. What is the meaning of which all comes under the irregular polygons? We'll see about the irregular polygons now. In the irregular angles, in the irregular polygons, only two sides will be equal. All sides will not be equal. That is called as the irregular polygons. For example, the picture I will show you. Okay. Here we have only two sides are equal. The remaining two are equal. Only two sides are equal. Not all the four sides are equal here. Only two sides are equal. So that is called as a irregular. One more example is right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, we don't have all the sides will be equal because we have a 90 here. These two will be different. Okay. So irregular polygons, example for this is all the sides will not be equal in angles. All the sides will not be in the equal angles. Okay. For this, when we have this shows equal. Okay. This also shows equal. This also shows equal sign. Okay. When we see about the angles now, when we see about the sides, we indicates this one. That shows the equal length. This shows this, and the single shows equal length. That shows equal length. All the two sides will be equal in length. Okay. Understood now how to show and how to identify and how to indicate that. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one, that is angle sum property. You all know angle sum property of triangle. What is the property of triangle? In the previous class we studied. In the previous year we studied about that all things. What is the angle sum property of triangle? I'm not asking the equilateral. I'm asking triangle. Formula for triangle. Angle So the angle sum property, you all know this. Just I am revising it. Angle sum property of triangle I am telling. Now we will move on to the equilateral. In this chapter we are studying about the quadrilateral. Okay, the angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay, in this we have what we have here. We see about the 360 degree. Here we are not seeing the 180 degree. Here we are seeing 360 degree. Okay, we'll solve some of the problem and we'll take that formula in the sums. Okay, in the quadrilateral what we have more than 4 sides. You all know that. All the 4 sides. For example, if we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. But here it is not equals to 180. It is equals to 360 degree. All round. Okay, 360 degree. Okay. Now we'll solve some of the problems. Exercise number 4.1. Exercise number 4.1. We will see the exercise number 4.1 in this. Okay, they given some of the pictures there and they asked some of the questions there. What they asked some of the questions down. Classify each of them on the basis of following. They given a pictures upper side. They given us some of the pictures. We have to see that and write the which type of a curve that is. Just we have to write the name below that. The first picture is given here. Here are some figures. Okay, they given some of the figures there. Just what we have to do, we have to see that figure, we have to see that picture, which type of a curve it is, and we have to write the name. The down what they given some of the names there. First name is simple curve, simple closed curve. We studied about these all curves. The classification of curves. These all are polygons, convex polygons, concave polygons. Now we'll draw the pictures one by one and we'll write the name of that. The first picture is which type of it is, which type of a curve it is. It is a simple curve. It is not opened curve. It is a simple curve. It is a simple curve. And it will be also a simple closed curve. Here it is closed. So simple closed curve. And next one, it will be the polygon also. It can be polygon also. And it will be concave polygon. Here the diagonals will be outside. See, here the diagonals are outside. So it will be concave . The first picture have all this. It is a simple curve. Okay, no complications in it. So it is a simple curve. And next one, simple closed curve. It is a simple closed curve. And the next one, it is a polygon. It is a polygon with a how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Pentagon it is. Next one, it have a concave polygon because the diagonals are outside the picture. The point joins outside the figure. So it is a concave polygon. The first one, it includes these all things. Simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, concave polygon. First picture. Copy this one in your classwork, children. Please draw this and write all which all it includes. Okay. Next one. The second problem. It is a look like this. Okay, we'll write and it is a polygon with a how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a polygon, and also it is a polygon. First one, second one, third one, and the last one. It is also a convex because all diagonals are inside. Here we don't have outside polygons, outside diagonals. So it is a convex. The second picture includes simple curve and it takes simple closed curve, polygon also, and the next one, last one, convex. Concave and convex, don't get confused because we see only the diagonals. When the diagonals are inside, we say it convex. When the diagonals are outside, we say it concave. Okay? Then now the third picture. It is like a egg shape. Okay. Here in this we don't have any diagonals. We don't have any diagonals. We don't have any sides. We don't have anything in this. So it not get any curves. Here we don't have any curves only. So it don't have any curve. So no name for this. Okay. The fourth one also same. Here also we don't have. Here also we don't have any curves, any lines, diagonals we don't have. So it also not includes any name. The last one, fifth one I will draw now. It is like this. Okay, it is like this. Here it is a simple curve. It is what? It is a simple curve, and it is also a simple closed curve. It is also a simple closed curve. Here we have a simple curve. It is a simple curve without lifting a pencil, and it is a simple closed curve. Everything will be inside. Okay, it is a closed curve. We don't have curves outside. Okay. Third one and fourth one not have any name. Fifth one have a simple curve and simple closed curve. Now sixth one and seventh one, eighth one, you only try which all curves we get in that, and we'll solve it in the next class. That all things, which all curves will come under that all features, and we'll solve the next portion in the next class. Please revise the polygons, concave, convex, that all definition, learn it. We'll see it in the next class. See you tomorrow. Bye.